If anybody's looking for a car mount that doesn't stick to your actual car, this is one that clips on it.
It took this lady 19 seconds to make 44,367. Now, this may sound absolutely nuts. It's possible through something called TikTok Shop Affiliate. I know because I've also managed to make some money using the very same. So by the end of this video, you'll understand what TikTok Shop Affiliate is exactly, how this lady made as much money as she did, and how you can cheat the system and make money even quicker as a new TikTok Shop affiliate. Before we get into all of that, I want to quickly just run you through my own proof. What you'll be seeing on the screen right now is my bank statement from last year, and as you can see, there's different transactions here from TikTok Shop paying into my account December at £21 and various other amounts that are coming in. These are directly from TikTok Shop. It's showing TikTok information on all the payments. That is what you would see when you're getting a payment directly from TikTok. So if you ever doubted that TikTok can actually pay you money for creating content, you can see the proof is right there. All of that added up to just over £1,200 or something like that. This is just one of my accounts. Now, in terms of what TikTok Shop Affiliate is, it's a program that allows creators to earn commission by promoting products from participating sellers on the TikTok platform. So it's affiliate marketing basically, but it's the simplest form of affiliate marketing you will find on the internet right now. If you think about affiliate marketing just in general, how it works, you would have to pay for ads to drive traffic into your offer. You would normally have to hunt around the internet for various offers, mess around with different links, storing links, and negotiating with different companies and so forth. Here, TikTok does all of that for you. They make the platform available. All you need to do is just pick the product that you're going to promote and add the link into the video. That's it. In order to join TikTok Shop Affiliate, you need to be over the age of 18. 5,000 followers is the minimum that you need in the USA. Here in the UK, you need a minimum of 1,000 followers. You need an account that is in good standing, not be any of these figures, comply with TikTok's guidelines, and no record of e-commerce permissions being revoked by TikTok or anything like that. So these are just general requirements for your specific country. You may need to look into what those requirements are. This just gives you a high level idea. Looking at how this lady made as much money as she did. When we talk about how you can actually cheat and make money even faster, this is what helped me, and this is something that I'm hoping will help you going forward as well. You can actually use systems that spy into the data within TikTok that let you know what's working, who's selling what, who's making the most money, and what videos they're posting, what they're saying in those videos, and so forth. There's tools that you can use out there. Some of the best ones are like this one I've got here. Is called Shoplus, and it's what's called a data analysis tool, and this is specifically for TikTok Shop. So all this information you see here is tied into TikTok Shop. I've left a link in the description if you want to trial it out. You can see lots of different pieces of information here at a very high level. You can see information for the United States, the United Kingdom, and various other countries where TikTok Shop Affiliate is available. You can see products that are being sold by rank here. They're being ranked from the #1 selling product based on today's information. You can look at weekly, you can look at monthly. What this does for me as a TikTok Shop affiliate, it tells me what's working currently within my country. What are people interested in buying? Because I can see the proof right here. I can see this product has generated this much money just today. So I'm able to very quickly get the product and start creating videos to promote. This is not something that TikTok will show you natively within the app. This is how you can effectively cheat the system. There's another way that I'm going to mention towards the end of the video, which will help you move faster than other people that are starting on TikTok Shop Affiliate as well. Now, looking at how this lady made as much money as she did. So to find that profile, her account, I used this very same system, Shoplus here, and I went into this product that is currently #1 in the USA. And yes, even though there's a potential ban in the USA, people are still making the most of TikTok Shop while it is there, because this is all under United States. This is the product that she was promoting in her video. Once you click on the product, you'll be taken into the product detail page here, and this tells you who is promoting the product currently. It does it by ranking, so you can see the #1 performing video. This allows you to see what's already working before you even create your first video. How many followers you have doesn't determine how many products you sell or how much commission you make. You've got people here, as you can see, she's only got 10.6k followers. She's making more money than someone who has 19k followers. She's smashing people that have 26k followers, 180k followers, even though she's only just got barely over 10k followers. This is the video that this creator made. We're going to get into that here in just a second. This is the script from the video that she made. So if you wanted to steal her script and redo the script, make it your own, you've got a cheat tool that you can use right here. You can even download the video. I'm actually going to play this video.
If anybody's looking for a car mount that doesn't stick to your actual car,
Stupidly simple.
this is one that clips on it. It is such a great car mount.
As you can see, she's in her car.
You can get literally any angle that you want. All those good angles.
She's talking about this phone holder rotating stand from within the car.
But yes, guys, if you're interested in it, I will leave it in the orange shopping cart linked above my name.
She's literally parked somewhere. Maybe she's waiting for a child at school. Maybe she's waiting for her husband. Maybe she's just waiting for something in the car. Wait 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And just like that, she was able to film that video. And this 19-second video that she's filmed, horrible quality, not even edited, barely put in any effort whatsoever, has generated her $44,367. How do I know that she's made $44,367? On this page, I've got my trusty calculator here. I'm going to clear it. So we know that on that video, she got 4.9 million views. We know that she's sold 13,562 units. So that's how many phone holders she's sold from people clicking on that video and buying them using her link in that video. We can see the average revenue per video is $10.90, so that's just the price of each one, how much each one of those units costs. But most importantly, we can see that she generated overall in revenue $147,890. Now, she uploaded this video on the 26th of November 2024, so not too long ago. And another key thing that we want to pay attention to, if we go back to the product detail page, we can see that the commission amount she gets on every sale is 30%. So if you go back to the video detail page here, so that means she made a commission of 30% from this amount. Now, it doesn't take a genius to work out that 147, I can't type for some reason, so 147,890, which is this revenue amount here. And if we multiply that by 30%, which is how much commission she gets per sale, that is how much she made, $44,367 in commission, just from that random video, which she probably didn't even plan. She just thought, oh, I've got a bit of time, I'm waiting for someone here, I might as well just quickly shoot something. Gives you an idea of how easy the process is of making a TikTok shop affiliate video and potentially making as much money as you can see here. Another thing that I wanted to mention when it comes to cheating the system, not only can you use tools like this, a couple of other things you can do as well. One, in terms of getting this product, rather than waiting for TikTok to send you the product, which they do, they send people free samples, you can also cheat by getting the product somewhere like Amazon. If you come on Shoplus here and you can see that it's #1 today and you want to get it quickly and start generating videos quickly while the product is still hot, you can just jump onto your Amazon and just order it. Next day delivery, get the product and film as many videos as you can. You can also cheat by being around people that are interested in what you're interested in, being around other people that have the same mindset as you. If you go to one of my links in the description, we've got a community that you can explore, jump into and talk to other human beings that are making money as TikTok shop affiliates currently. Starting on your own, which I did, which was a huge mistake, versus being around people that have the same goals, coaching you, advising you, people that have made the money that you want to make and reach the goals that you want to reach. All of what I've mentioned, it absolutely does not matter if you don't choose the right products. Choosing the wrong product can waste you weeks, sometimes even months of effort. I've got a video up on the screen which is going to walk you through how to choose the perfect TikTok shop affiliate products to start promoting so you can make money quicker.